What's up, guys? It's me.
It's Dick Kid.
Shut up. Shut up. Alright, I found a glitch in Watch Dogs 2. Alright. I was, going around hacking some people, and I decided to jump on the water so the guy would get me, right? And instead of that, I actually won because of this glitch. Now, I'm not too sure if I'm the first person to find this glitch, but I guarantee you that I'm under the map. Now, I can get so many cops under here, they wouldn't be able to kill me. See, look, I can even drive this. Okay. I can grab some stuff. But, it ain't much. I can do some stuff that I don't really care for. But, I am just going to exit and come back on the ground. Now, I don't know how to get out of this. But I don't want to get out of this. See that guy in there? See that guy? Here. I'm gonna shoot him. My aim's a little off. Pow. Dead. Duns on him. He's done. So, y'all like my gun? Yeah, it's beautiful. Give him a little drama here, so.
He don't kid boys.
360.
It's a PS4.
I played on the PS4. Alright. Now, if y'all want to know how to get this glitch or how to do this,
Y'all they gotta jump in the pool.
okay, well, I don't know how to do this, okay? This just happened out of nowhere. So, yeah. Other than that, this has been one of the most boring videos ever. And I'm gonna, cut it off. So yeah, Katie, say bye.
Bye.
See ya.